7 months, over 100 hearings and 4 convicts charged under 13 accounts including rape and attempt to murder. And even as a billion-plus nation prays for justice for 23-year-old Nirbhaya, the Delhi court has reserved its verdict and will announce the quantum of judgment on Friday afternoon.
On Friday, the entire nation's wait will get over, as a fast-track court will pronounce the quantum of punishment to all the convicts in the Nirbhaya gang rape case.
In a hearing that lasted for over 3 hours, the prosecution asked for death punishment to be given to all the 4 rapists in Nirbhaya case, keeping in mind that this was of extreme brutality and the rarest of the rare case.
In hectic court proceedings, the prosecution asserted that there should be nothing less than death penalty for the 4 brutes who crossed all the lines of humanity on December 16th.
The prosecution went ahead and listed out why in this case death sentence should be given. On the other side, we also heard the defense accused lawyers arguing that age and leniency should be given to these people, keeping in mind their age, there is a chance they could be reformed. The arguments of the lawyers also included the fact that in several other cases, leniency has been shown by the court. In this case too, some leniency should be given.
While denying the undeniable and defending the undefendable, the defense lawyer asked the judge to restrain leniency to the convicts.
मेरी तरफ से दलील थी कि जो एक्यूज कन्विक्ट जिनको सजा की है उनका कोई क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, इससे पहले कभी दोषी नहीं पाए गए, वो निर्दोष हैं और उनको सजा हो गई है बेशक, लेकिन इससे पहले उनका कोई क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड नहीं है.
There is a unanimous demand of strictest and most severe form of punishment for the shameful team of brutes who became animals on December 16th.
Crime is so ghastly. Justice demands just punishment, proportionate punishment, and in this case, nothing short of death penalty will meet the ends of justice.
There was a totally different India that marched onto the Raisina hills to demand justice for Nirbhaya, whom they never saw, never met, and who became a symbol of hope and change but couldn't stay alive to see that change. But for her parents who saw their brave heart die in their arms, there is nothing less than a death penalty for the accused.
समय क्या अब हम इसी उम्मीद पे जा रहे हैं कि हम ये सुनने को मिले कि नहीं इनको फांसी की सजा दी जा रही है. सिर्फ हमारे मन में सिर्फ फांसी के अलावा कोई जगह ही नहीं है.
The entire nation will wait for Friday to see what happens to their fight for change, what happens to their revolution. And on Friday, India will also wake up to see whether Nirbhaya gets real justice. Bureau Report, Times Now.